Guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, a special welcome. And if you're here with me all along, thank you so much for sticking and staying. So guys, we are going to make another lovely nutritious drink today. We are going to be using carrots. All of these carrots that I have here in this bag, I'm going to wash them. I'm going to wash my cantaloupe, and we have some apples in this bag, so we're going to wash these apples also and get right back to you. So we are going to cut. So guys, as I said, I was talking but I got a phone call. We're gonna cut our cantaloupe. Some people call it rockmelon. Let's see if it's ripe. Because Tony was telling me that if you smell it and it smells sweet, it's ripe. Ooh, look how beautiful this is. This is going to make a very lovely drink with these carrots and ginger and apple. So remember now, we are using our Couvin out of 10, and guess what? You know that cantaloupe is good for lowering blood pressure. So we're gonna peel this quickly. Rid of the skins, and we're gonna just cut this in just like that. So we don't need to cut up everything. Don't need to do them small, because this machine can hold so much. So hope you all will try this refreshing drink. I wonder if it's sweet. Let me try it. It is sweet. I'm going to put these aside, and we are going to just peel this bit. Then we're going to get on to the carrots, and those with this, it's very good for your eyesight. So carrots are good for your eyesight. Cantaloupe lower blood pressure. Apple a day keep the doctor away. So the carrots, just this part, we don't have to peel them, just to cut. Just take them out. Hope you all can see what I'm doing. I'm not gonna core my apples today. So we're gonna peel our lemon. And this hydrates the body. And the apple have a lot of fiber for your gut, for the good bacteria. So guys, let's clean up and I'll be right back with you. So guys, I almost forget the ginger, which was on the kitchen sink, so I'm just cutting this up. Okay, all right. And the ginger is good for inflammation in the body. So now we are going to open the lid and we're gonna pack. We pack the lemon. I'm gonna put the ginger in, and then the apples, because the apples will help to force the ginger out. So let's give you a look from above. So we're gonna pack the cantaloupe in and we're gonna start our juicing. So for the ladies, cantaloupe is high in vitamin A and C, and it is good for our skin. It has folate. It helps with to support when you're pregnant, with high water content for hydration and digestion. And look how the ginger and the apple is coming together in the mixing bowl. As you can see, I've made this drink before and trust me, it was so nice. Actually, I'm gonna make the ginger and the apple alone one day, but I have to add something to it, you know, to make it different, because there's so many juices now in the world. You have to try and create. So look at the trash is coming out nicely, and that ginger trash, I'm not going to throw it away, I'm going to eat it. It is good for the gut. Cantaloupes are also good for weight management, and let me see what I can remember. It has fiber in it. It promotes a feeling of fullness, and you can always snack on it. You can eat it, you can juice it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So we are going to let out our first batch of juice. Look at that. Wow, I love the color. Okay, so that's the apple and the ginger. So now we are going to close our smart cap and continue the juice. So this juice is packed with antioxidants like beta carotene, lutein, which protect your vision and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. It has potassium in it, fiber, and it helps to regulate the blood pressure, as I said before in the first part of this video. So now the carrot and the cantaloupe is coming together in the mixing bowl, and as you can see, the carrot is blending in. Look how lovely this is. And you can use the carrot to make other things, the trash, like muffins. Who like muffins? Put it in the comment section. Do you like muffin, and do you like healthy muffins? And do you think you can eat cantaloupe every day? Yes, you can. It hydrates you and it gives you vitamin A and C. So it gives you a massive amount. Now you have a look at the cantaloupe, how it's been cut and creased. Have a look at it coming out with the carrot. This is so magnificent, and the color is so pretty, and so does the juice. Special shout out to MTC, Walking Purpose, and Love Ice, or Love Christ. Now we're gonna let out our second batch of juice. Wow. So let's continue with our juicing. We're gonna pop the lid open and we're gonna put apples in, carrots in, and cantaloupe, carrots, sorry about that guys, my hand shift. So now we have a full turn our juicer on. So we have a full jug of juice. I'm going to replace it with another jug for our third batch of juice. It looks like we're going to get a fourth batch of juice this time. And the ginger in this drink, or in any drink at all, reduce muscle pains and speed up digestion. So this is really a powerhouse drink, and it is best all the time to go natural. And of course I love using my Cuvin Auto 10. I haven't gone back to the Revo 830 yet, but next week I think I might use it. But this one is so much easier to use and take up less time. Wow. And guys, do you know that carrot helps to protect our mucous membrane in the gut? So don't hesitate unto using your carrot, juicing your carrot. I mean, you can cook it in your meat, but when you juice it, look at the trash. When you juice it, you get everything out of it, all natural, and you don't kill anything. So look at the trash. I'm going to put it back and push it down because it's been full. The jug is full. So now we are going to let out our third batch of juice. Here you have it. Wow. And we still have a little bit more in the juicer, so I'm going to just continue juicing. So now we are going to continue juicing. There's a small amount of fruits to finish, so let's get on with it. We might get half a mixing bowl out of it. Let's see how much we get. And the trash, I'm gonna push down, keep pushing it down. I'm not changing it. It can hold in it. So these Cuvin jug, they are very big. And the carrot is ranked low in the glycemic index. The fiber contain slow sugar absorption, help to maintain and steady the blood glucose level. So it's nice to have some carrot juice, and you use the apple for sweetener. That is if you're gonna make carrot juice. But today I am doing ginger, cantaloupe, carrot, lime, and this is one powerful juice. Let's let out our juice. Wow, look at that. So now let's get into the serving of the drink. So guys, that's gonna be my decoration for this week. And let me see if I can trim off this little dry section on it. Yep, that is it. So we're gonna pour out our drink. And this is very, very, very nutritious. I don't even have to tell you. You're supposed to all know it. So like, share, and comment. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Let's get a close-up look.